So finally, big breaking news is out. Mphasis just announced a breaking hiring, and this is the fresher opportunity entry level. But one more opportunity I want to tell you that SCL Tech just announced the direct test. No direct test. There is direct interview hiring. Yes, you get it right. 21 February and 22 February is your direct interview in the SCL Tech, and this is the big news, big breaking news. And you have to keep in mind, this is the SCL Tech big mass hiring, and they are giving you the direct interview hiring. So what you have to do, just watch video till end, because many things you have to keep in mind. You have to apply, or you have to just send the updated resume to the HR email. तो क्या करना है, एक रेफरल लेना है कि क्या करना है, बहुत कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन है. बट इन दिस वीडियो देयर इज 4 mass hiring, Tech Mahindra, SCL Tech, Mphasis and Naukri.com. so watch video till end, but before that you have to hit the subscribe button, like this video and do subscribe my channel. So first hiring, we will be talking about of Mphasis, that a junior service desk opening is out, and opening is one. This is like you can check that this is the glitch. ठीक है, इसका कोई सेंस नहीं है, ये सिर्फ ऐसा हर बार रहता है Mphasis की हर हायरिंग में. तो ये क्या है कि ये जूनियर लेवल का कस्टमर सर्विस सपोर्ट, मोबाइल सपोर्ट का ये रोल होने वाला है. इसमें देखो सिंपली नीचे जाओगे तो दिख जाएगा कि BSc, BCom, BA, डिप्लोमा इज एलिजिबल, हाई स्कूल पास इज मिनिमम, रिक्वायरमेंट विथ ओनली कम्युनिकेशन स्किल इज कंपलसरी, इंग्लिश और एक्सीलेंट कम्युनिकेशन पुट इन रेज्यूमे. वन मोर थिंग दैट दीज आर द वर्किंग कंडीशन लाइक 24/7 आर एनवायरमेंट विद रोटेशनल शिफ्ट, ट्रेनिंग एंड वर्क ऑफिस मीन्स दिस इज वर्क फ्रॉम ऑफिस हायरिंग, एंड वर्क फ्रॉम होम विल बी एट कंपनीज डिस्क्रिप्शन. ठीक है, और वाईफाई कनेक्शन यहाँ पे सब देख सकते हो, रिलायबल होना चाहिए, 1-on-1 डिस्कशन ड्यूरिंग ट्रेनिंग एंड सेफ सूटेबल वर्क एनवायरनमेंट एट होम. अब यहाँ पर देखोगे तो सिलेक्शन क्राइटेरिया दिख रहा है कि V&A असेसमेंट. दिस इज नथिंग, जस्ट अ वर्सेंट असेसमेंट, एंड इंटरव्यू विल बी देयर, एंड इंटरव्यू जस्ट 15 or 20 minute interview will be there. so this is very basic thing. just put all these interpersonal skills, communication, and fresher candidate with BPO experience 0 to 6 months. obviously 26 can also apply, 25 also apply, and if you having experience you can also apply. तो यहाँ पे एक चीज का ध्यान रखना कि US शिफ्ट होने वाली है. 9 hours with the work window may vary between 6 PM to 6 AM. ठीक है, and on Indian holidays. तो यहाँ पे ध्यान रखना there will be the timing, different timing. so if you are good to go with this, then only apply. Computer iterate is also there, knowledge of ticketing system experience is there. so put all these domain and read responsibilities part also. here you will get to see the many thing. so please apply it as soon as possible. and the Bangalore location is Mangalore. so finally mega recruitment drive is out, SCL Tech Nagpur, and if you see global IT service desk role is relevant analyst at our Nagpur location campus is going on 21 or 22 February 10 AM 1 PM. no entry post 1 PM. ठीक है, so if you are going after 1 PM then they will not give you the entry. who can apply 6 month to 4 year of IT service desk ticketing voice support. सेम Mphasis वाला ही रोल है यहाँ पर भी, और स्ट्रॉन्ग ट्रबल शूटिंग स्किल, हार्डवेयर सॉफ्टवेयर नेटवर्किंग विल बी देयर, कम्युनिकेशन इंग्लिश विल बी देयर. इफ यू आर लुकिंग टू ग्रो योर IT career, this walk-in is for you. this is the mega walk-in conducted by SCL Tech at Nagpur location. if you see registration is also there, you have to click in this and you have to fill this form, because Nagpur location you can easily choose, and fresher experience both is eligible. and if you scroll down here you can see that having service desk experience, if you are a fresher then click on no, if you are a fresher click on only fresher. here also you can check the option. so fill this personal detail is also there, but keep in mind all degrees eligible. ठीक है, यहाँ पे जितने सारे ही जा सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. बट यहाँ पे एक चीज का ध्यान रखना है कि 22 और 21 Feb को यहाँ पे बिगेस्ट वॉक इन ड्राइव इज गोइंग ऑन. बट इफ you are going after 1 PM तो यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. now there is one thing you have to keep in mind. after filling this form they will send you many things on your email like location and maybe some pass वगैरह भी तुमको यहाँ पे मिलेगा. but the main thing, the document you have to carry, 1 updated resume, 1 Aadhaar card or government any PAN card, Aadhaar card, 1 passport size photograph, and provisional degree is compulsory, or your original degree is also compulsory. ठीक है, so carry these documents and go there and complete your walk-in drive. you have already 5-6 a day, so please take your time, hit the apply button today only and apply it, and check the mail. if you got the mail by SCL Tech then please go there and complete this mega hiring. ठीक है, don't miss this opportunity. So Naukri.com just announced Tech Mahindra, but not one hiring, there is 2 hiring. that one is technical support Tech Mahindra Bangalore Pune location is the 24/7 work environment mandatory है and 2 रोल इज सर्विस डेस्क टेक्निकल सपोर्ट। अब तुम देखोगे तो टेक नॉन टेक दोनों के लिए इस बार मैं ज़्यादातर सपोर्ट की हायरिंग लेके आया हूँ। तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में सारी IT की होने वाली है, तो इस तरीके से लाना पड़ता है, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पर देखो अच्छे से क्राइटेरिया, ग्रेजुएट डिप्लोमा IT एजुकेशन, फ्रेशर इज एलिजिबल बट U1 एंड एक्सपीरियंस कैंडिडेट 1, और यहाँ पे जो भी है देख लो, ठीक है। और I am only hiring for experienced candidates, must be flexible to work 24/7। अब यहाँ पे इसने लिख दिया है एक्सपीरियंस कैंडिडेट। अगर तुम यहाँ पर देखोगे, इफ यू आर अ फ्रेशर यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर दिस हायरिंग, बट इफ यू सी दैट शी इज ओनली टेकिंग द resume of experienced candidate, so you can easily approach the other employee of the Tech Mahindra also, because she is only taking the experienced candidate resume, so it doesn't matter कि इसको तुम मैसेज करो, लेकिन ये कंटेंट देख लो एक बार, ठीक है, कि इसमें 2 रोल होने वाले हैं, फ्रेशर एंड एक्सपीरियंस बोथ इज एलिजिबल एंड दीज आर द डोमेन, यू हैव टू पुट ऑल डोमेन विद द बुलेट पॉइंट्स, जस्ट कॉपी like this and paste in resume with the bullet points, and please check the responsibilities part also. Here is many domain which is not written in required skill. And one more thing, that 2 role is there. If you are applying for any one role like tech support, then take the referral email ID of employee, ठीक है, इसको मैसेज मत करो, और भी एम्प्लॉय मिलेंगे टेक महिंद्रा में, उनको मैसेज करो एंड टेक द email ID and send them the updated resume with the subject line must be your role in for which you are applying, ठीक है। and if you see that this is associate analyst U1 UK verification process, this is night shift, and if you see multiple, and if you see 0 to 6 month of experience is needed, attention to detail communication is mandatory. One more thing, here you will get to see the WhatsApp number plus HR CV, HR referral email ID. You can also see that you have to just send the CV, and already I told you what to put the subject line, then this is the name वगैरह सब मिल जाएगा। इसको कॉल भी कर सकते हो, मैसेज भी कर सकते हो, and you can check the responsibilities. But one more thing I want to tell you, 0 to 1 year of experience is needed, work from office is there, UK shift है client, और यहाँ पे देख लो टेक महिंद्रा payroll. So what you have to do, just put your support domain which is written here and which is also written here, ठीक है। both role is same, you can easily take domain from here also and take domain from here also, and please update your resume, hit the apply button, ठीक है, apply in naukri.com also, and one more thing, send your updated resume to this WhatsApp number also, on this email also, and call them tomorrow morning. Tomorrow is Monday, you can easily call them, and call them between 10 AM to 11 AM and tell them I want to apply for this hiring, please schedule my interview. So please apply for this opportunity, and please don't miss SCL Tech direct interview, they are providing you, no assessment will be there. तो यहाँ पे बहुत easily है कि direct interview, after that if you crack the interview then there is a direct offer letter, there is no other round. So please apply for Mphasis and these all 4 mass hiring. And please, if you're having any query about Accenture, then please comment down. I am creating one more video about document mistakes or documents queries, because if you having last name and first name contradiction or father name contradiction, then this will maybe give you the rejection, not maybe 100%, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे समझने की जरूरत है कि तुमने एप्लीकेशन में कौन सा नाम दिया और तुम्हारे आधार कार्ड पैन कार्ड में कौन सा नाम है। तो अगर यहाँ पे दिक्कत हो गई ये कि तुम्हारे दोनों नाम अलग अलग हैं, इन Accenture एप्लीकेशन देयर इज फर्स्ट नेम ओनली and in document there is first or last name both is there, then they will reject you. So please comment down, I will take your comments and create one video and uploading very soon. Like this video, do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.